Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon Elevation. Deep bronze metallic paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 2.7 liter turbo paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find includes heated seats, a off-road suspension with a factory installed 2-inch lift, front pedestrian and bicyclist braking, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that jet black finish on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console and the seats. Storage on the bottom and center of the door panel with power windows, mirrors, and locks. On the panel next to the steering wheel you have some interior lighting control, black cloth seating with power controls and lumbar support on the side. Inside the vehicle on the left hand side of the steering wheel you have your cruise control and your forward collision alert. The right hand side has voice recognition, some steering wheel audio controls. This button here will change the display in front of you. There's a few different displays depending on your preference and whatever you prefer. The entertainment display has your phone settings if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, navigation, audio, which will be your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, settings for the vehicle and the display itself, and your digital climate controls, which will have your temperature gauge, fan speed, air conditioning controls on the screen. The physical climate control is just below the screen, which will have your temperature gauge, fan speed, and air conditioning controls, as well as the heated seats for the driver and the passenger. To the left is your push to start. A few options below your climate control includes your automatic start and stop, your hazards, lane keep assist. You have your storage compartment at the front with a couple of outlets for you to use. Next to the shifter, your drive mode selector and electronic parking brake, and a dual cup holder tucked in front of the center console at the front here. You can open that up for even more storage space inside. Up top you have the rear view mirror, of course, with your interior lighting controls located above you. And in front of the passenger you have the glove box, which is quite spacious, so there's some storage in the front if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You can see we have that deep bronze metallic paint, the red GMC emblem in the center of the black grille, black accents along the bottom of the front bumper with LED headlamps, aluminum wheels with GMC center caps, black mirror caps, paint match door handles with keyless entry. At the back you have the corner step rear bumper for easier access into the back, the red GMC emblem in the center with the Canyon emblem just below it, and the elevation badge in the corner. Open up the tailgate, you have plenty of storage space in the back with cargo tie down locations at each corner and onboard power. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You have the same jet black finish you had in the front with magazine holder on the back of the passenger seat. The black cloth seating here as well. You have the handle on the side to lift the seat, giving you access to your under seat storage and more storage space in the back. On the back of the center console, you have 2 cup holders and a couple of outlets for the rear passengers to use. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon Elevation. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.